Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this class, I am going to explain factors. Okay, factors. Factors are nothing but any number is exactly divisible by another number. Okay, any number. Okay, any number is exactly divisible by another number. So those number we call as a factor. For example, 12. If you take 12, 12 is divisible by 1 table, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the all table. This all table 12 is divisible. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, 12 table. So this one we call as a factors. So this number we call as a factors. Here smallest factor is 1. For all number, smallest factor is 1 only there. Okay, 1 is a factor for all number. Then greatest greatest factor is the number itself. Okay, greatest factor is the number itself. So look at, for example, if you take 18 factor, 18 is divisible by 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, again 6 table, again 9 table and 18 table. Okay, if you take 10, 10 is divisible by 1 table, 2 table, 3 is not divisible, 4 not divisible, so 5, then next to 10 now. Okay, so these are we call as a factors. Okay, common factor means it should be present in both. Common factor, look at here, 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor and 3 not there. Okay, 3 is not a common factor, so 1 comma 2 comma, that's it, only two numbers are